G'day guys, Scotty here from The Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the washers in an Alvey Yabbie pump. Now guys, if you haven't tuned into our channel before, please click the link below to subscribe and join in the fun weekly. So let's have a look at the Yabbie pump. Okay, let me show you how easy it is to change the washers in your Alvey Yabbie pump. Now the first thing we need to do is come down to the end of the pump, and we've got a brass wing nut there you have to remove. Now in behind the wing nut is a stainless plate, and in behind the stainless plate are all our rubber washers that tend to go hard and brittle after a certain amount of time. Now the easiest way to get all that out is just simply come up here and draw the handle back like so. Then put your hand over the end of the pump and just pull the handle out. And there you have it. All the inner workings come out of your Yabbie pump, and these are the rubber washers that tend to go hard and brittle after a certain amount of time. So I'll put them aside and I'll get the new ones. Okay, here we go. This is our little replacement kit that comes from a local tackle shop where I picked it up for $14.95, so $15, and in there comes everything you need to replace the washers in your pump. So we've got a new wing nut, a brass washer, a stainless washer, 2 pressure plates, plastic pressure plates. These are the new plates that Alvey are now supplying in all their pumps, and 5 nice new rubber washers, nice and soft. So let me show you how it all goes together. First thing we do first is we pick up the pump and we put the shaft back inside the pump, slide him all the way down. Then we come to this end of the inner workings, and the first thing we do is we put our spacer on, like so. He goes on there first, push him down a bit. The next thing that goes on is a little stainless steel washer, and then your first pressure plate. Now make sure you put your pressure plates up the right way. They're concaved, and the concave must go to the centre so it sits against the rubber washers, like so. Then your 5 washers go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, push him down a bit, and number 5. And then your next nylon washer. Again, that concave face there, down against the rubber washers. And then we have a little brass washer there. It's got a flat on it, and the shaft's got a flat on it. So you just got to make sure you find the flat, turn him around till he drops on, like so. And last thing that goes on is our wing nut. That'll just run down like so. And then tighten that down, and that'll, when tightening down, will give you the suction that you need for your Alvey pump to work. Well, there you have it guys, that's how simple it is to change the washers in an Alvey Yabbie pump. Now guys, tune in next week for another fantastic clip on The Hook and the Cook. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the link above. You can tune in on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram and follow us there, and we'll see you guys somewhere on the water next week. Cheers.